I got asked this question a few minutes ago. What's the best tool to use to schedule posts on LinkedIn? Well, before I would have told you the best tool to you would be something like Buffer or Hootsuite or one of those tools. But the game has changed. LinkedIn has changed the game. And so let me show you the change, and then you can decide if you need some third-party tool. By the way, what I'm about ready to show you will only work on personal posts from the home page. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If I go start a post, I'm just going to do a very simple post. This is not going to be everything I need to do using a new LinkedIn feature. Now, I've got a lot more I should do. I should use 3 to 6 hashtags, but I didn't do that, but I'm just doing a quick test. Look right here, got a clock. If I click on that clock, I can select to schedule the post on a particular day at a particular time. So I could choose to schedule this post on Monday, and I want to go out at 12 a.m. in the morning. And I can hit next. And then when I'm ready and it looks all good and right, there's where it's scheduled. I can edit it right here. I can hit schedule. I just scheduled a post. I can schedule a bunch of posts. I haven't tried to see how many total that I could schedule. I think I have 4 or 5 scheduled right now. But I did test a couple things. Number one, I can't schedule into a group. If I choose a group, any group I want to choose, and I hit save, and I write some content here, and I hit this right here, it's not supported for this type of post. Cannot schedule into a group. Hit back. Hit the X, show you something else you can't do. I can't schedule into a company. If I go to schedule, let's go to anyone, hit save, and let's choose Teddy Burriss, go to JMP, hit save, and then hit the clock. I can't schedule into a company page. I also can't schedule polls or jobs from here. However, I can schedule, let's put it back to Teddy Burriss, hit save. I can schedule anything including an image, a video, a document. Hit the dots here. I can do a kudos post, which is a celebratory post. I can do a offer to help post, share that you're hiring. I just can't go into groups or companies, and it won't work for polls. I'm not sure why. But this is a really interesting tool built into LinkedIn now. If I go here and I click on the schedule button, I can view all my scheduled posts. And you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 of them right now. And the only thing I can do from this screen here at looking at my scheduled post is I can see what I scheduled. I can edit the time if I want to edit the time, or I can delete it if I want to delete it. And it takes me back to I only have 3 left. But it is an interesting tool for those who want to schedule what I refer to as simple, organic, useful post through their LinkedIn profile. Again, it won't work with groups, it won't work with polls, and it won't work with company pages in any way. But it's definitely worth considering. It could save you from having to buy or subscribe to Hootsuite or Buffer or one of those other scheduling tools. Now, you may still need that depending upon what you're trying to do. But it's worth understanding that LinkedIn has changed the game because they now allow you to schedule posts through LinkedIn. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.